Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to combine blogging and affiliate marketing and make serious money. People are still using blogging because blogging still works. And you can use it to promote your affiliate products, your own products, to build your mailing list, to do whatever you want because that blog belongs to you and nobody else. And also in this video I will provide real value. People are paying good money for that knowledge and I'm going to give you that knowledge totally free. And I'm going to show you an amazing tool that you can use for free. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. So first thing I need to do, I need to choose my niche. So let's say I'm in weight loss niche, but weight loss niche is too big and competition is too strong. And that means I need to find smaller niche, I need to find a sub niche. And some of the best places where you can find those sub niches are big marketplaces like ClickBank, Digistore24, JVZoo or Amazon or any similar. So for this example, I'm actually going to use Digistore24. So I'm here on Digistore24 marketplace and I'm going to scroll here and click on fitness and health because weight loss niche is in this category. And Digistore24 gave me a list of products in this niche, in this category. As you can see here, Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. And when I scroll here, Smart Blood Sugar, Keto After 50, Keto Desserts, and so on and so on. And obviously there is lots of keto related products, which means keto is a good, potentially good sub-niche because there is lots of products and that means I can make money because there are products that I can promote. And obviously this is a good niche because these people are making so many keto related products and that means they are actually selling this product and making money. And that means the competition, it might not be that strong and that big. So now when I have my sub niche, I now need to research that niche. So I can't just go and start blogging about keto. Competition may be strong, competition may not be strong. I don't know that. So I need to do a research. And for that, I can simply go on Ubersuggest. And here I can simply type keto and then click search. And Ubersuggest will give me some really important information. When we scroll here, we will see that 165,000 people search this term every month in United States alone. But SEO difficulty is 77. Paid difficulty is 99, which means there is lots of people running ads in this category. And this is what is important for us. The average web page that ranks on top 10 on Google have 5,856 backlinks and domain authority of 85, which means competition is too big, it's too strong. This is not a good sub niche for us because we cannot get any organic traffic from Google. And also when you scroll here, you can see some related searches. And here you can see all of these keywords have huge competition. So this is not a good niche. We need to find another sub niche. So when we go back on Digistore24 marketplace and when we scroll through these products, we can see this product here, Keto After 50. So I can go on Ubersuggest and here I can type Keto Over 50, for example, and then click search. And here we can see search volume is much smaller, only 210, SEO difficulty 61. But look at this, the average web page that ranks in top 10 has only 39 backlinks and domain authority of 63, which means we can actually rank for these keywords and we can get on first page on Google and get a free traffic. And we obviously know that there are products in this sub niche that we can promote and make money. But we need to check our competition. We know, according to the Ubersuggest, that competition exists, as we can see here. But we don't know what kind of competition, how strong there are, what keywords they are targeting or anything else. So what we can do is, we can go on Google and here we can type Keto Over 50 and click search. And first website is WebMed. WebMed is a huge website, it has a huge authority. I don't need to check that website. And when I scroll here, I don't know any of these other websites. So I need to check these websites here, okay? So I can use a tool that will help me to steal traffic from these websites here. But before I show you how to steal traffic from your competitors, I am giving away a free ebook called Top Affiliate Tactics. I will leave you a link in description so you can download your copy for free. So to spy our competitors, we can use a tool called SEMrush. SEMrush is really expensive, but it is also a really good tool. And they also have a free plan. And you should register for a free plan, and once you start making money, you should switch to a paid plan. So what we can do is, here in search bar, we can type our main keyword. In this case, it is keto over 50. And click search. And SEMrush will give us some really important informations and really useful informations about this keyword. Here you can see search volume is 260 searches in United States every month. Keyword difficulty is 41, which is medium keyword difficulty, so we can rank on first page on Google for this keyword. Here you can see top countries: United States, Australia, Spain and Canada. Here you can see there is almost 73 million results on Google. And when we scroll here you can see keyword variations. This is really useful. Here you can see keto for women over 50. So this will basically give us ideas, keyword ideas that we can use to write new articles. Keto for women over 50. Keto diet for women over 50. Here you can see keto for women over 50. Search volume is 1000 searches per month. Keyword difficulty is 45. We can also write an article keto for men over 50. Keto over 50 and so on and so on, and we should research those keywords, see the keyword difficulty, how many backlinks we need, and then write an article targeting these keywords and rank on first page on Google. Here we can see questions. Questions are really powerful because when people search questions, that means they have a problem and they are looking for a solution for that problem. And if you offer them product that can solve that problem, they will buy that product. Here we can see, does keto work for women over 50? Is keto good for women over 50? And so on and so on. And you should target these keywords as well. Here you can see search volume and keyword difficulty. Here you can see related keywords. You can target these keywords, you can get keyword ideas, and you can write articles about all of these keywords, and you can rank your articles on your blog on first page on Google for all of these keywords and get organic free traffic. Here you can see your competitors and so on and so on. And like I said, this is really useful tool. And to spy our competitors, we can use another option of SEMrush. So what we need to do, we need to go back on Google and we need to spy one of these websites. For example, this one here, ketoconnect.net. So what we need to do, we need to copy the URL of this website, go back on SEMrush and then click here on domain overview and paste that URL here and click search. And here we can see that this website has domain authority of 58. They are getting 393,000, almost 400,000 visits from search engines, from Google, from Bing, from OWL, and so on and so on. And that is the organic traffic. And they have 209,000 backlinks. So overall, this website is a strong competitor. And when we scroll here, we can see top countries, countries from which most of their traffic is coming. Here you can see United States, Canada, United Kingdom and Australia. Here you can see organic traffic history for this website. They are getting 400,000 visits every month from search engines on average. And here you can see organic keywords, as you can see here. And here you can see top keywords for this website, keywords that are getting the most of the traffic. You can see keto bread. They are ranking on first position on Google for this keyword, and this keyword is getting 90,000 searches every month. Keto bread recipe, again they are ranking as a first result on Google, and 22,000 people search this term every month on Google. So what you can do is you can simply write an article targeting these keywords here, and you can research those keywords, see keyword difficulty, and then build some backlinks, publish that article on your blog, build some backlinks and rank on first page on Google and get some organic traffic for these keywords here. Here you can see more information about this website, so you can use SEMrush to spy your competitors, to spy their keywords, to spy their backlinks, and to use those informations to rank on first page on Google and to get organic traffic to your own blog, to your own website. That is how powerful SEMrush is, and that is why you need to use SEMrush. So now when we have our niche, now we need to make a blog. And you can publish that blog on WordPress, on System.io, and so on and so on. But if you are just starting, I would recommend to publish your blog on Blogger. Blogger is owned by Google and it is 100% free. And not just that, but you can also add a custom domain. You can go and register a domain for just $2 or $3 on Namecheap, GoDaddy, or some other company. And then you can add that domain, that custom domain, to your Blogger blog. Now, I will not show you how to make Blogger blogs because it is really simple. So what you need to do, you need to simply click here in upper right corner on sign in and sign in with your Gmail account. After you log into your Blogger blog, you need to come here, and here on the left side you need to click on settings. And then you need to scroll here and you can add your Google Analytics ID. And when you scroll here, you can click here on custom domain and you can add your custom domain that you register on GoDaddy, on Namecheap, or wherever you registered your domain. And when you click here on themes, you can change theme anytime you want. You can choose from many themes you want. And when you click here on layouts, you can add different widgets, and that means you can add banners in the sidebar, you can add different kind of stuff in the sidebar, you can add different stuff below your articles, above your articles, in the header of your blog, and so on and so on. But now we need to post an article on our Blogger blog. To do that, simply click here on upper left corner on New Post. Now, if you are not good at writing articles, you can simply go on Google and type keto over 50 in this case. And you can rewrite one of these articles. So let's say I wish to rewrite this article here. This keto plan for women over 50 will help you lose weight. So just click here to open this article. And I can simply copy the title of this article, just highlight and Ctrl C. And now I can go on website called paraphraser.io. And here you can see they can write you articles, they can check plagiarism, they can check for plagiarism your article, they can grammar check grammars of your article, they can summarize your text, they can generate citations. But we need to rewrite these articles, so you can simply paste that here, okay? And then I will confirm that I'm not a robot, and then click here, paraphrase now, and they will paraphrase this title that I choose. As you can see here, now green letters are the words that they changed. This ketogenic plan for women over 50 will help you lose weight forever. And I can actually highlight this, Ctrl C, go back on Blogger, and I can paste that as my title. Now, like I said, titles are important because click-through rate is important on Google, and that is why you should use a bit clickbaity titles, okay? And now we need to write our article, and I always suggest to open your articles with eye-catchy images, because that is the first thing that people will see, and that is the first thing that will catch their attention. If they like that photo, chances are they will read the rest of the article. Now, but please use royalty-free photos and images. You can find royalty-free photos and images on websites like Pixabay, Pexels, or Unsplash. Please use royalty-free photos in order to avoid later problems. So what I need to do, I need to click here on Insert Image, and then I need to click here Upload from a computer. Click here, give it a second, and then click here Choose File, and find the image that you wish to use. This is the image. Click here Open, give it a few seconds to actually upload this image on Blogger, and then click here on Select, and that's it. I added this image, this photo on my article, and I can click here on this little gear to change, and I can say, let's say, for example, large, click Update, and this image is now larger. And now I need to add my article. So I can again go back here, and I can scroll here, and I can highlight this, and Ctrl C for copy, go back on Paraphraser, paste it here, and I need to scroll here and click to confirm that I'm not a robot, and then click here Paraphrase Now, give it a few seconds, and this website will basically rewrite this article. Now this is important. As you can see here, they added British pounds because it says here 49 pounds. So you need to check these articles. these are bots and they make errors. So you need to check each article before you publish it to see are there any grammatical errors, are there any errors like this. So you need to check that. But for this purpose, I will just copy this. Ctrl C, go back on Blogger, and I will just paste it. And I can also go back here and I can rephrase this part here. I can rephrase this part here. Just use rephraser and then go back on Blogger and paste that rephrased article here. And now you need to promote your affiliate products. Now there are few ways to promote affiliate products on your blogs. You can add your affiliate links in the article itself, just highlight that word or few words and then click here on this little chain and then simply paste your affiliate link here and then click apply and that's it. You can also add banners in your article, just like I said, click on the image, insert image, and then you need to click here on the image and then you need to click on this little chain to insert the link. So you can also add banners here in the sidebar, you can add banners below the article, you can add banners above the article, just add HTML widget to your layout. And you can also add banners in the header. There is plenty of ways to promote affiliate products on your blogs. Now after you finish everything, just click here on publish and you will publish this article. It's that simple. But your blog articles won't rank by itself on first page on Google. You need to help them, you need to build some backlinks. And you can build those backlinks, you can share your articles on related Facebook groups, you can share those articles on your Facebook fan page, you can share them on your Twitter page, you can share them on your Pinterest profile, you can share them on Reddit, you can share your articles on Quora, you can share those articles on related forums, you can go and find related blogs in your niche, and you can start commenting on those blogs and link back to your articles. There is plenty of places where you can build quality backlinks, and if you build enough quality backlinks to your articles, those articles will rank on first page on Google and you will start getting organic traffic to your articles, to your blog. And those articles will rank on first page on Google in next few months, maybe even a few years. And you will be getting free traffic in next few months, maybe even few years, and you will start making sales and you will start making passive income. Because like I said, you will be making sales in next few months, maybe even in next few years. So this is how you make money by combining blogging and affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.